before we start the interview, I would like you to introduce yourself with the audience, the listeners, so they can know about you guys, you both. Okay, we start from you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alfi Syahrin. I was born in Tijani. I am 11 years old. This is my friend.
Hi everyone, my name is Tijani Syasya. I was born in Gandapura and 10 years old. We are in the same class.
Do you know what we're gonna talk about today?
Yes,
About what?
but the coronavirus.
About coronavirus. What do you know about coronavirus?
All I know, it can kill a lot of the people. Nobody knows very much about the coronavirus because it is a new virus and it started in Wuhan, China at 2019. That's why they call it COVID-19.
How does the virus change your life? What did you do before the virus?
Before the virus is down, I can go to everyone I want.
What happened after this?
After the virus, I could not go to the school for several months. I could not go to the restaurant, to the beach. I could not see my friend. It's very sad actually.
Very sad, right? What should we do to beat this virus?
We should work together. No matter you are sick or not, you should try to control the virus and make it go away.
Any tip you want to tell to the audience so they can safely?
Yes, I wear a mask and I wash my hands straight away after I go outside. I just do what my mom said.
Why do you think wearing mask is so important?
Because when you cook or talk to each other so close, droplet will bring your mouth, nose, eyes, and ear, and you will be sick.
Anything else you want to tell to the audience?
If you're sick, you need to go to hospital. Don't go to the coffee shop, wedding, don't go to the cholera, and stay home safely.
The last question. If you have a wish, what wish could be? I'll pick first.
I just want everything back to the normal.
I want the virus to away so I can meet my friends.
So,
I can play.
okay, this is a good conversation, good interview. I would like to thank you. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.